What up, guys? Another video, E-Money here. So it's gonna be part 4 to the trailer build. I already got it mocked up. Got everything stripped. Got the engine bay stripped. So I got a test piece in there right now, just taking measurements and stuff like that. I got it all marked up, so I'm gonna transition it to the longer piece because I need about 14 more inches out the front. Need about 3 foot, so when I do trailer it, I'll be able to do a proper turn if I need to turn around. I don't end up clipping the Fiero on the side of this or, you know, something crazy. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Alright, so I did a notch here for the back because this is going to be bolted to the existing cradle in the Fiero. So it'll be bolted and then be stitch welded in a couple areas. So be easy to remove if I have to, you know, grind a couple inch welds, you know, wherever, and then well, I'm done. So I'll cut this slot out and then I'll replate it. So I'll put plates here, here, here. I don't know if you guys see that. So I'm just gonna transition it to this one and then, yeah, pretty simple. Oh, and I'm using 2.5 inch square tubing, 1/8 inch thick. It's plenty for this thing. I mean, I can lift half this car up by myself. It's super light, especially with it being gutted and everything. So, yep. Yeah, guys, so this notch, I'll end up plating it in, and then it'll be bolted straight through here, boom. And it'll sit right on the back, right there in the middle. It'll bolt straight through the frame. And then that's where the center will mount, bolted as well. All right, and then real quick, guys, where the bolt's gonna be going, I'm gonna sleeve it like that. So I'll weld it right here, which I'll do that first, then I'll drill my pilot hole or whatever you want to call it, the bolt hole, and then the plate will be welded on top, and then I'll just weld the side in here just to keep it a little bit of structure. But yeah, that should strengthen it up a lot when I go to bolt it down. So, yep. Alrighty, guys, so I had it all mocked up, all bolted down, centered. So got it all reinforced. I still got to clean it up, all the BBs and stuff. But so I ended up running flat bar on each side, right here, and on this side for extra structure. And I went with another 1/8 inch flat bar, just a little bit thicker, because this is where all the stress is going to be. This is where it's going to be mostly flexing at, I guess. So yeah, so got those welded, got this notched. It's all filled in. Looking good. It'll look a lot better once I get it all cleaned up. I had to back step weld this because it kept wanting to banana, which there's a tiny banana like right here, but that ain't gonna be a problem. That's fine. I was just more worried about the front, like this area, which it worked out. So yeah, she looks freaking solid. Straight unit. Got that. That's to kind of level it out, and yeah, Looks good. So, yep, let's get to grinding, get her cleaned up. All right, she's all cleaned up, good to go. So I ended up fabricating this at work so I had a little bit of free time, so. Oh yeah, she looks good. Cool. Oh, and guess what happened? So this did have a bow right here, and I had to kind of push it flat. Didn't realize this happened because we had to push down on it with the forklift. But I think she'll be all right. It's going to be on the bottom, so I'll keep an eye on it over time, and if I see it starting to crack or something, I'll just replate this area, I guess, or do a version 2. But she should be fine. Just a little dent. She'd be all right. So, but yeah, let's get her installed real quick. See how it looks. All right. Okay. There she is. Okay. There it is. All right, that's in. Shoot. Idiot sometimes. Jesus. I think I'm gonna have to do it like that, guys, in the back. You know, I'm thinking about pointing them up anyway, so when I build the tub, I can bolt the tub directly to, you know what I mean? When I put the tub in, it'll put the tub between the washers and everything, and then the threads and stuff will be on the inside of the tub, so it'll be like away from the weather and all that too. Plus it'll hold everything together. I think I'm probably gonna do that. She's bolted in now, so unfortunately I can't, when I put the wheels on, I figured out that, or I found out that this wheel hub is completely shot. Like, I don't know if you can see that. Completely shot. Like it's, the rim is sitting on the shock. So I won't be able to pull this to the car wash until I get new hubs, which I already ordered them. They said they'll be here next Wednesday, so gotta wait a week. So, but yeah, here's the progress of that. I'm gonna throw that on the front, the hitch, and then I do have some D-rings that I'm gonna end up welding, but I gotta reinforce those areas too before I weld those on. These guys right here. For some of you guys that don't know maybe how these go, it'll be like that. So, gotta figure out exactly where I wanna put them, but I'll use it for, you know, if I wanna strap anything to this area or whatever, just strapping points for the front. So, yeah. And I'll probably add a couple along the body line too, maybe. Or no, I'm gonna have the body on, never mind. So, yeah, I'll probably put some type of hook system in here too once I get the tub built. But yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Probably not, because it's gonna be enclosed, but I'll have to figure something out for the power source I want to put in that corner. So But yeah, man, that's it. Part 4. Appreciate y'all watching. Yeah, I'll have the next video out in like a week or so. So stay tuned. I appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share, please. Peace.